What's up, everybody? Want to shoot a quick video to give the details on this hotel deal that we completed here in Panama City, over on Palmetto Court. Great house. We got a referral from another client that actually put us in contact with this seller, and it worked out pretty well. Purchase price was $305. I think we put a total of $2,500 in. We actually just replaced the vinyl siding that needed to be repaired, and yeah. Did the repairs, closed on May 9th, got the work started, I think on the 14th, and we put a Facebook ad up on the 9th night, and yeah, just took some pictures and put the ad up, sneak peek, before we actually were gonna do a flat fee broker listing on the MLS. And a realtor got a hit on it, and they came in with a full price offer of $399, well, $400,000, and that we agreed to. Long story short, went through home inspection. They came with a couple items. They wanted a new fence across the whole backyard, and a couple other knick-knack things that they wanted to do. One thing that I wanted to pick out just for you guys, one of the things that they brought up was the microwave was too close to the stove, and which would mean we would have to cut out, put a new cabinet in, just be a big headache. That was one thing that we said, no, we're not doing that. So we ended up closing at $15,000 off the list price to just circumvent all the issues or things that he wanted done that he thought was superficial that need to be done. And yeah, so we settled at $385, closed on it. It was a good hotel deal. Not a whole lot of work that we had to put into it, but it worked out real well. Great community, great school systems, got a pool in the back, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,200 square feet, brick home. And yeah, in a great community. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give a detail of the hotel. It was kind of in between a wholesale and actually a retail flip where you go in and just do everything. Bathrooms had wallpaper up. They were a little dated. The house was built in '02. So that was one thing. We didn't want to go into a new kitchen, new bath remodel with this. And so it actually worked out pretty well. We got a buyer. We're in a seller's market right now, 52 days from actual MLS listing to closing, which is pretty good. And yeah, I think the average is 19 days to go into contract. So overall, the house was in great condition. It was a no-brainer. I actually told the seller that they should list their house on MLS. I was straight up. I was like, hey, we buy about 70% discount after we make our renovations. That's where we want to be at. And she said, hey, still make me an offer. And we made an offer, and they accepted. And yeah, it's worked out well for them, and it worked out well for us. So it was a win-win for all the parties, and that's kind of how it all works out in the end. The seller gets a win, and we get a win. When we get it sold, they get a new family in here. And yeah, as you can see, the house isn't in bad shape at all. I'll walk you in the back. Yeah, it's clean, not too much damage at all. Just got it's dated, needs wallpaper, and you could do some new knobs or maybe new countertops. But yeah, it's in good shape, and the buyer likes it. So hey, I love it. But yeah, this is just one of our deals. Well, we got another one coming up to go on the market. Probably shoot a video a little bit early just to kind of show the after renovation. It was initially a hotel. That was actually the lady that referred us to this one. It was actually going to be a hotel, but we went a little bit over and beyond with that one to make sure that we got the resale value where we wanted to. They had 50-cent laminate floors in a $300,000 house, and so we ended up having to go in and take all the floors out. But that one will come up on another video. But yeah, if you have any real estate questions, always hit me up, always a PM away, or give me a call. Operation Invest, you know, this is what we're doing down here on the Emerald Coast. Love to hear from you. Peace.